Hello guys, good morning. It is around 5 a.m. and we are departing on yet another road trip. This time we are going to Switzerland. So now let me unlock the car. I will put the luggage in and we are ready to go. And it's always nice to start early as we will have the night drive, and also when you are departing the city is completely empty. And one useful feature, I've put the route guidance and actually the address for the route guidance in my Mercedes Me app. So now I just need to press this and the car will start the route guidance. So no need to type it here on the screen. There we go, 939 kilometers. And yeah, this is how it looks. And we will now be entering Slovenia. Alright, and we are now in Slovenia, and usually you would need to buy the vignette, of course, but I already have the vignette for the whole year, so no need to stop. Of course you can also buy it online, so there's no need to stop even if you don't have the vignette for the whole year. And this is the overview of our route today. Still 907 kilometers to go. It was around 940 when we started. 6:14 and it's already so bright outside. And this is not what I was expecting. We have the traffic jam at, as you can see, 6:31 in the morning, just outside of Ljubljana. And yeah, it's gonna be around 10 minutes delay, but I also see something red over there as well. So yeah, not sure, not ideal. And soon we will be entering Austria. We have now Caravan Tunnel.
We'll reach a toll booth in 500 meters.
And after that there will be a border. And now the Austrian border. And that went well and fast, and we are now in Austria. And I love the scenery here in Austria. Amazing. Look at this.
The route includes vignette roads and toll roads. Your destination is located in an area.
Making a first fuel stop of the day with some nice scenery behind us. Look at the range, 977 kilometers. So we are still in Austria, taking it easy. Of course, very strict in terms of speed limits. So yeah, you see the range, 977 kilometers. and we entered Germany. But as you can see, we have Stau, the traffic jam. And yeah, they actually stopped me on the border and just wanted to know the final location, and that's it. And we are now on the de-restricted part of the German highway, the Autobahn, which means we can do this and again the de-restricted part of the highway. By the way, some of you may not know the specs of my car, of course. I will tell you now. It's the Mercedes C300 4MATIC, which means we have the 2-liter mild hybrid petrol engine producing 258 horsepower plus additional 20 horsepower from the electric system. And yeah, well, the 6 seconds is the time to reach 100. Top speed is 250 kilometers per hour. The car is so good for long road trips like this one, as it's very comfortable, and also you see a lot of power, obviously, giving you nice possibilities here on German highway on the parts without the speed limit. But of course, also if you want to just cruise and enjoy the drive and take it slowly, you can do it as well. So if we put the classic screen on, let me show you this. So 120 kilometers per hour. Look at the RPMs. Now how good is that? And then if we go 130, so 130, 1000 and 600, something like that, RPMs for 130. You can really just cruise and then push the throttle, put it to Sport Plus, and we are now going to enter Austria again before we reach Switzerland. Another stop for fuel just outside of Switzerland, and I actually stopped here because to get to the Switzerland we got off the highway, so we are now in this town. Not sure how is it called, but yeah, of course when you are in town the prices of fuel are cheaper compared to the pricing on the highway, of course. So here are the prices. And that's a nice Ferrari Portofino in front of us. Well, hello Switzerland. Speed limit is 120 here on the highway. You can see the augmented reality in action here. And now we have 157 kilometers to reach Basel. And that's a Ferrari Purosangue. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? And look at this useful feature of the Mercedes models. Currently we are sitting in a traffic jam just outside Zurich, but I want to know the weather in Basel. So, hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
tell me the weather in Basel, Switzerland.
Currently it is cloudy in Basel with a temperature of 22 degrees. In the evening it will be rainy with temperatures around 19 degrees.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, now we will go to the city center. I hope this is a garage that works all the time. So yeah, then we will take a walk, and I will actually film a bit of a city today as well.
Now keep right. In 500 meters turn left.
Finally managed to find the garage that will not close in an hour or two. So this one that I found will be open until 1 a.m. so that's good. So we can have a look at the city. Alright guys, as you can see, the city is very nice, very clean, beautiful buildings. Thank you for watching this vlog. Do subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments how do you like the city and how do you like this let's say extended road trip vlog where you can also see the city as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.